Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on Reef token. In my previous video, I shared an idea with you when I told you that the price action of Reef can complete the final leg of the bullish cipher pattern. And this was the video and this was the idea that I shared with you. And from here, I was expecting it will start the next rally. And if I play this chart, then we can see that the price action, as predicted, as per the Fibonacci sequence of the bullish cipher, completed this final leg, and you can see that it hit our sell zone here and here as well, and after that it is moved down back in this buying zone, and while moving up and down, it has formed another bullish reversal harmonic shark pattern. And in today's video, I want to show you this pattern that I've already shared yesterday at the Patreon as well, when the price line was moving in the buying zone of this bullish shark pattern. And this was a chart that I shared yesterday. And by the way, I'm also sharing the different harmonic trading ideas here at the Patreon. And if you would like to support me here, then I have also shared the link in the video's description. You can find there. Now, I'm just going to open this chart to show you the performance of this idea, what the price action did after when this leg was completed. Already the leg was completed. And now I'm just going to play this chart before you. And you can see that the price action had already completed this final leg of the bullish shark and entered in this buying zone. And by the way, this feature to play the charts is not working on the trading view at the moment. Therefore, I'm just going to show you the performance of this chart on the live 2-day chart. And this was the live 2-day chart, and we can see that this chart starts from 24th of March, and this is the candlestick of 25th of April. Okay, and if we watch on the 2-day chart, then this is the 24th of March, the same candlestick, and this is the 25th of April. And now you can see that in the very next candlestick, the price line has hit our sell targets, and it can even blast from here. We can have another very powerful rally from here, and I will show you why I'm expecting that. First of all, I want to show you this daily time frame chart, and here we can see that the price line is moving between the 5.5 cents resistance level, and this is a very strong resistance for the price action, and here we have the support at 3 cents. And this was the previous idea of cipher pattern that I shared with you, this one. And now here the price line completed this shark pattern, and it is getting bounced by this support of this 3 cents. And at the same time, this is really very important, I have placed this stochastic oscillator here, and we can see that when this cipher pattern was completed here and here, at the same time the stochastic entered in the oversold zone and received a bull signal between the blue line, this blue line, and this red line. Whenever the blue line crosses up this red line, that is a buying signal by the stochastic. And we received the buying signal here, and the price action followed this buying signal, and we have seen a rally to the upside. Now, when the price line hit this support again here after the completion of this bullish shark pattern, at the same time again this stochastic entered in the oversold zone, and we received again this bull cross of buy signal by the stochastic. The blue line crossed up this red line, and the price action is following that bullish signal again and moving to the upside. Now, if we connect all these wicks of the candlesticks, and from the downside, if we can connect all these wicks, then we can see that the price action previously formed this symmetrical triangle and broke down this support of the triangle here. And after getting bounced by this support of this 3 cents, it is moving back to confirm this breakdown. And if the price line will re-enter in this triangle, this confirmation will be failed, then the price action can turn a really, really strong bullish. Even it can break out this level and this resistance as well, and it can make another attempt to break out this 5.5 cents very strong key level resistance as well for the next powerful rally. And same thing the Bitcoin did. Let me just show you what the Bitcoin did recently, and this was the chart that I shared yesterday. And in my yesterday's Bitcoin video, I also shared this chart with you, and the price action of Bitcoin just broke out the same triangle that was broken down by the price line. We can see that on 26th of April, when the price action of Bitcoin formed this symmetrical triangle and broke down the support, and while reconfirming the retest the previous support as a resistance, the price action re-entered in this triangle. And after playing the chart, we can see now for the Bitcoin is working this feature. Okay, now we can see that the price action turned really, really strong bullish and moving to the upside so far. Now, same thing we can expect by the Reef token as well. This is the daily time frame chart, by the way. This is the hourly. Therefore, on the daily time frame chart, we can expect a very big move. Now, same thing that Reef is going to do. If it will retest this previous resistance as a support, previous support as a resistance, and if this retest will be failed and the price action will re-enter in this triangle, then we can expect that it can even break out the next resistance as well. In that situation, our targets can be, if I place this trend line from this tail of the triangle up to this support, and if I place it here, then in that situation, our next target can be here. That is approximately, let me just show you what can be our next target. That can be approximately 7.5 cents. And in case of, if the price action will be successful in retesting this previous support as a resistance, and it will be moved down from here, then in that situation, the price action can even break down the previous support of 3 cents. And the next target can be in that situation approximately at 1 cent. However, this 3 cents is a really, really strong support. You can see even after several attempts, the price action so far is not able to break down this 3 cent support level, even though we had a very, very powerful head and shoulder formation as well here. And this time we also have this harmonic bullish move that can need the price action to break out this triangle from here. And we also have this stochastic in the oversold zone. This is really very important at this time, because previously when the stochastic was in the oversold zone and we had this harmonic move of the bullish cipher pattern, and when the price action entered in this buying zone, we can see that the stochastic almost visited the overbought zone after that. So we can expect that this time the stochastic can again enter in the overbought zone once the price action will be re-entered in this triangle. So next few hours are very important for the Reef token. It can break out this previous support as a resistance that is being retested at this time as a resistance, and once this resistance will be broken out, then it can even break out this resistance and this resistance as well. So this was the update so far. I hope that you have liked the video. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And if you would like to support me here at the Patreon, then I have also shared the link in the video's description. You can find there. Take care. Goodbye.